Is Sanskrit a dead language? You mean seriously? No. When we speak of the word dead as a dead person or something, there we mean it is dead. But literally, when we speak of the word dead, for example, when we say that the girl is walking dead slow, that means the girl is dead slow in walking, she's too slow in walking. Or when we say that my phone is dead now, so that does not mean that the phone is not functioning at all. That means the phone is currently not functioning. So the phone is dead means that it is currently not functioning. Similarly, when we say the Sanskrit language, we claim the Sanskrit language as the dead language. That does not mean it is not at all a language. It means that it is currently not functioning. Yeah, unfortunately, currently the language is in a bad condition and is not widely spoken, not so lively now, but it is our responsibility to make it. I would like to share the history of the Hebrew language. Initially, the Hebrew language was considered as just a language of prayer or the scripture. Now, the people of Israel, after their independence, made it quite lively language. They quite nicely brought up the language, and now it's their official language. So, we Indians also should have such spirit in us and try not to follow that same British culture and have our own language and try to make it as a functioning language. And to tell you, it's not a tough language. We have Chinese and Japanese, such languages are too tough to learn, but Sanskrit is a very simple language and we can very easily learn it through simple, nice ways. So, we as Indians especially should have that in mind to remove the tag, the black tag of dead language from the Sanskrit language and try to make it a very lively language which can be used in our day-to-day life and relished by all of us.